love that swan jump, whatever you call it. It's such a beautiful jump out of that final tumbling run.
Spectacular. Anastasia Webb for the Sooners as Luisa Blanco steps up. She's been in this situation before. Lexi Graber only a 9.3125. So Alabama needs a hit once again from Blanco in that anchor spot. They've gotten it many times before.
And she has had ice water in her veins all season long on this event, and she is just sheer perfection in everything from the acrobatic skills, like this triple series. But she shows off every element of balance beam, from the flexibility to the posture, precise footwork, flexibility, balance. I mean, the list of superlatives is long when it comes to Luisa on beam. We are lucky this year. There are a few really just top-notch balance beam workers, and she is right in there. Look at the high toe releve, just gorgeous. This is a double twist.
Oh,
finds the landing, absolute perfection. Oh yeah, we're all nodding with you, Luisa.
Yes, we are.
That was a beauty.
Oh my goodness. Now keep in mind, in addition to 2 teams qualifying through to the championship final tomorrow, they will award individual champions on each event and in the all-around from the 2 sessions of semifinals today. So NCAA titles on the line. Look at that execution.
Check this out. And I think if we had gone one more right there, one more frame of film, we would have seen the absolute perfection of that leap. And the dismount double twist, it's usually harder to stick those than the 1.5s, but love to see her go for that extra half twist, get the landing.
Dana Duckworth in her 7th season, 26 years with the program. She herself was a national champion.
Watch. And Luisa Blanco was just spotless here. Exquisitely performed balance beam routine from start to finish, and the fight she showed to just hang on to that landing.